Going back and forth between your PipeDrive account and Excel models for running some advanced calculations can be tedious. You can use SpreadsheetWeb to integrate your workbook calculations in PipeDrive. This way, you can also control the version of your workbook from one location and ensure that your users are utilizing its latest version. Create coding tools or calculators in Excel and then utilize them with contacts or deals in your PipeDrive account without any coding. Let's take a look at how SpreadsheetWeb integration works with PipeDrive. Click Allow and Install once prompted by PipeDrive. When you go to Contacts and select a contact, you will now see the SpreadsheetWeb panel. Press Applications under the Actions menu to begin mapping a SpreadsheetWeb application. Here, click Add New Application. If you don't already have a SpreadsheetWeb account, you can sign up for a free trial account from SpreadsheetWeb.com. This is a shipping calculator created in Excel. It finds the shipping cost based on the destination zip code and the weight of the items. Simply upload your file into SpreadsheetWeb and select Access API for the application type. Copy the API endpoint and application key parameters into PipeDrive, and then enter a friendly name for your application. Next, select the input and output fields you would like to use. Click Add New Input to manually create a new property, or use Add Existing Input to use any of the existing PipeDrive properties. Under the SpreadsheetWeb name column, enter the workbook name ranges used in the SpreadsheetWeb application. Note that these names are case sensitive. Any of the input or output fields can be saved into PipeDrive properties by enabling the Add to Database field. When you're done, press Save. You can now click the Create Record button under SpreadsheetWeb to create a new record. Simply select the application you want to use. The input and output fields will load automatically. Enter the details for your contact and press Calculate. When you press Save, the values will be stored for this contact. You can access this data just like any other PipeDrive property. To edit an existing record, simply click the record link. This is also where you can delete an existing record. With this integration, you can implement complex calculations you built in Excel into your workflow.